Hello, everybody. My name is Dr. Gruwell. I'm one of the instructors at the Terry campus, and I'm here to help you navigate your course on D2L for Bio 110, Essentials of Anatomy and Physiology. So when you first click on your course page, you will see this. And so two things that are important to you here, or really three. The announcements is something that you should be checking very frequently. So you'll see a welcome announcement when you first enter the course. So make sure you read through that. But throughout the semester, this is how we'll communicate with you most often and how we will keep you updated on what is going on in class, what assignments you need to pay attention to, review materials, things about tests, all that good stuff. So make sure that you're checking those announcements frequently along with your Dell Tech email. I'll give you a hint as well. If you click on your name at the top right here and go to notifications, it'll give you some options for D2L to send you email reminders when we post announcements, when assignments are put in the gradebook, all that kind of stuff. And there's even an app that goes along with your learning management system. The other thing that's important to you here is this McGraw-Hill Connect. So our textbook is through McGraw-Hill, and Connect is where some of your online assignments will be. So if you did not purchase your material directly through the bookstore and you want to just purchase the material online, you're going to have to go through this link, say that says go to my Connect section. So it's very important that you purchase through the bookstore using your section, or you purchase through the direct link within this course. Don't go directly and try to buy it elsewhere online because it needs to be linked to your specific section. You'll also see a calendar down here that can keep you updated on what is going on and coming up due. So that's an easy way to keep yourself on track. If you navigate over to content, this is where all of your course material will actually live. So you guys want to read through this Start Here module, including your course orientation video. Course information will have things like your schedule, different instructor information, course expectations and policies, as well as your course syllabus. So all information that you should take a look at so you know what to expect. Student support resources has some resources that are not specific to our Bio 110 class, but are different resources that you have both online and via the campus for student support. And then there's also a section here that can help you just navigate, connect, and give you an overview of what to expect with that system since we'll be using it a fair bit throughout the semester. If you have any questions about anything contained in this Start Here introduction module, please make sure to reach out to your instructor. I'm going to show you guys Unit 1, and all of our units are set up similarly in terms of what you'll see here. So your graded assignments will always be directly in the graded assignments section. So you'll see you have smart books that are located in McGraw-Hill Connect, and you have quizzes that are located directly within D2L. You'll also be able to see your due dates there and make sure you keep track within your individual class schedule. You'll also see the slides for PowerPoints. You'll see links for our textbook readings. And then supplemental materials will have some things like videos and activities that are all practice. So none of these will be graded, but it's some extra resources for some extra help. And your teachers may post some recorded lectures within the supplemental materials as well. For those of you that are in an online asynchronous class, you'll have a Unit 1 test module where you'll actually find your Unit 1 test that you'll take via the D2L system. And this may be where we also post some study material related to your tests. So we have 6 units in this course. And so you will see the same exact thing for every single unit. So it's organized all the same. And then last but not least, we also have an optional final exam in this course. So you may eventually see a module for that, and your instructor will give you some more information regarding that later on in this semester. With Connect, make sure that you're accessing through either the link on the homepage or launching directly from the course. Again, we want to make sure that your assignments are directly linked to your section so that you get credit for everything that you're doing. If you have any questions about navigation of the course or how you should be accessing Connect and getting that set up, please touch base with your instructor. And then one last thing I just want to show you, of course, your grades are right here. So if you click grades at the top, you can access your grade book and you'll be able to see your calculated grade and get an understanding for where you stand in the course at all times. I look forward to having a good semester with you, and I hope to see you soon.